Hey guys, so I'm doing a little bit of a different video. So this video is all about teeth whitening, how I whiten my teeth. I was contacted by Smile Brilliant and they asked if they could send me their teeth whitening kit for my opinion and for a review for all of you guys. Of course I said yes. I've honestly struggled a lot with whitening my teeth in the past. I've tried whitening strips, I've tried the mouthwash whitening, I've tried, really expensive toothpaste for whitening, and for me it just has never worked. And so I was super excited when they reached out to me to try this. I'm going to share with you guys the kit that they send, how you can purchase your own, how it works, all of that good stuff. If you guys are new, hey, my name's Liz. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Also ring your guys' notification bells so you guys are notified for all my future videos. And if you guys want to learn more about Smile Brilliant, how I whiten my teeth, then just keep watching. So when Smile Brilliant contacted me, I went on YouTube, I searched and watched a bunch of their review videos, and I was really impressed with what I saw. So I said yes, that I'd love to try it out, and I'm so happy that I did. I'll go ahead and put a little before and after picture on for you guys so you guys can see. Before I started whitening my teeth, it's always been something I've been a little bit insecure about. Like I said, I've tried so many whitening teeth products and it's just something that's never worked for me. My teeth are pretty sensitive, and so it would hurt too much to continue whitening my teeth with the other products that I've used. I didn't have the whitest teeth before. I wasn't very good as a child at keeping my teeth, as white as they should be. Being a kid who didn't understand that I'd be regretting that decision as an adult. So my teeth just always felt like they were really hard to whiten. I felt like I honestly wasn't going to get white teeth with anything that I was doing. So I want to show you everything that comes in your Smile Brilliant kit. So here is the kit that they send you right here. They send you, all of the pamphlets that you need, how-tos. So Smile Brilliant sends you this kit. What you do is you create your own custom trays, which I think is really nice to have it fit perfectly in your mouth. That's one thing that I really like about them. And so with this, I feel like the gel got in all the little spots and crevices within my teeth. So that's one thing that I really like. So within your little kit, they send you all the instructions on how to create your mold, which you have right here. I'm going to show you how to create the mold itself. So you have two little pastes. You have your base paste and you have your catalyst paste, and then you have two of your trays. So you open both of these on up, you take your catalyst and you take your base. You want to form them together pretty quickly. You want to form it until all the blue and the white is completely mixed together. There are no streaks within them. And then what you do is you take your paste combination, you place it inside of the tray right here, and basically smush it all in there. You want to make sure that it's coated pretty evenly, and then you place it inside your mouth. You press it into your teeth for 3 minutes. You take it out, you let it sit and harden for 30 minutes, and you do that for the top and the bottom. So again, it does come with 2 of these. It comes with 3 catalyst paste and 3 base paste, so then if you mess up once, you can redo it, and that's the really nice thing. They also send you pictures on what your impressions should look like. So then they send you a prepaid mailing envelope. You put your impressions inside of there, send it off, and then they mail you your trays back. So this is my little case right here. Here are my trays, and it's really nice. You just slip them on in, and they just go in like that. They fit perfectly inside your mouth, which again, I really enjoy, because then all of the gel is getting right into all the crevices of your teeth. And then they send you your gels. It's just a gel in a syringe kind of thing. Each tube of gel is going to get you 3 to 4 uses. So in one kit, you're going to get, about 12 uses out of. And then they also send you desensitizing gel. So again, like I said before, my teeth are pretty sensitive to whitening products. So right after you're done doing the gel, you go in with the desensitizing gel, and it really does help with making your teeth less sensitive so that you're not hurting while you're doing this. I've always been pretty skeptical about teeth whitening products, and this one I'm actually really impressed with. This one I've seen really great results with. Just within the first 2 tubes of this, I saw a pretty big difference. My husband was commenting on how whiter my teeth look. When I'm filming videos now, I see my teeth and I'm like, they look so much whiter than they did before. They could definitely be whiter. So that's one thing that I'm going to continue to work on, continue to whiten so that they can get to the full whiteness that I want them to be. I have so much more confidence now in my teeth and my smile. The cool thing with this as well, they offered to do a little giveaway for you guys, for my subscribers. A kit will be given away to one of you. I'll go ahead and link all those links down below so that you guys can enter the giveaway, get a chance to try this out for yourself. And the giveaway is open internationally with Australia, Canada, United Kingdom, and of course the United States. So if you want to go ahead and check it out, again, I'll link the giveaway link down below. And if you win, they will contact you. And that's about it, you guys. I'm really excited for this. I'm really excited for one of you guys to be able to test it out. So if you have any questions for me at all about this, definitely let me know in the comments down below. I'd love to talk to you guys more about my experience. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you next time. Bye.